Shut up and sit down.
Hello gang, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop, and welcome to part number 5 of Build the Legendary Cyborg ROBOCOP from the wonderful people over at Fanhome. Yes folks, we've got another issue for you. So what have we got today? Well, if you want to grab this for yourself, first things first, hit up the link there below. Head over to Fanhome and grab your very own ROBOCOP. You can then build along with me. First up, we've got the history of ROBOCOP, the post-modern Prometheus, section 1. And here he is. And it's basically going through what was going on in the 1980s America, because there was a lot of turbulence going on. I do believe Reagan was president back then, so you had all kinds of things going on politically, and then the concept of this hit. So read these magazines, folks. It gives you a hell of a lot of the background of the movie, and I've learnt a lot from this, I must admit, reading these. Another bit there on Ed 209, very popular variant, and I'm thinking when I finish this, I'm lucky enough to have 3D printers, and I am very tempted to 3D print a large Ed 209 to go with this ROBOCOP. But I can imagine it's going to be massive, and I need to explain to the wife why she's got that in her lounge. Yeah. Could have it holding a tray, couldn't I, to put my tea on? But anyway, what's in the name? It was the working title. ROBOCOP was catchy, descriptive, and easy to remember. It had a ring to it, didn't it? The film ROBOCOP. Yeah. Right, we're going to be building today the right elbow joint. One of them, folks. Pack number 5. So that's what we're going to be putting together. As usual, it shows you where on the model we're working and what we're working on. Nice and clearly concise instructions, and what you'll end up with at the end of it, where it's going to look on your model and all of that. So that's what we're going to be doing. And then obviously this is an internal joint. Later on in the build you'll have all the exterior plating going over it and stuff like that. This is the 100 years of robots, even automatons there that we was on about in the last issue, and how to do all of that and all the different mechanical wonders. 360-degree cameras, that's the latest thing. I noticed this as an avid watcher of MotoGP, the gyroscopic cams on the bikes and things like that, and how camera technology in sport has changed. I can remember Randy Mamola back in the day having this huge BBC camera strapped to his fuel tank on his bike as he did a lap of Donington at the time. And yeah, and yet now these cameras are a tiny little thing that the riders wear on their levers, folks. Yes. And the Formula 1 drivers have a camera lens in their crash helmet. It's bizarre. All the different technologies again that are in the modern world there, on how things have developed. Security cameras there on a ball. So yeah, it's really changed. Things like webcams, you know, what we're doing now, you know, filming and that is a big thing now. So that's your magazine done. I'm going to have this open just at the back of my bench there, so that we can see the pieces that we're going to be working on today. Nice simple episode. So we'll open this up, and when we'll come back we'll put this together, folks. Right, we got that together. So first things first, we want parts 5B and 5C. That's 5C, there's 5B, and we want a BP screw, one of them bad boys. Bit of 3-in-1 on this, just in there. Much easier issue this than the hand. Those that saw the previous episode, very complex little hand there, and then you just want to lay this over the top like that and engage the tabs, and then you want to drop a screw into here, right away in like that, bink, and then screw that on, and that'll pull the two halves together just like that. There you go. Click that into place. Got a bit of oil on my thumb there, so we'll get rid of that. There you go. Use your bigger screwdriver there, Cole. There you go. So just put that over that side for now. Just give that a wipe. There you go. And that's that joint. Come back over the other side, and then you've got an armour plate there as well that this joint will sit into, something like so. So that's what you'll end up with there. So that's that issue done. So we hold on to this and we hold on to this, because I've got a feeling in the next issue we're going to be doing the other stage of the right elbow joint. So that's where we are today. So I'm going to leave that like so, just like that, so you can see that. That's where we are today. And on the next issue we'll get the other half of this all done so that we can put that together. Thanks again for watching, folks. I will see you in issue number 6 coming up soon. In the meantime, click the link below, head over to Fanhome, order your RoboCop, and we can see it and have a build journey together, folks. What more could you want? Until the next time, bye-bye for now. Stay safe. We'll see you on the next issue. Bye.